Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a little bit different box opening. It's going to be a pen from Whatapen. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check just to keep it watch related. And you'll see that I am wearing my Spinnaker Hull, California. This was actually featured in my Watch of the Day, Watch of the Night earlier today. And I hope you guys are enjoying that. It's been fun to interact with you and hear what watches you guys have on your wrist on the daily basis. Plus, you've been seeing a whole lot more of my collection. Also, guys, if you're looking to save some money on Spinnaker Aviator Ballast, I have promo codes and discount codes in the links below. And if you're looking to sign up for Watch Gang and you use my link, I get some reward points, you get some reward points. Helps keep the channel going. So, man, a number of years ago, I was part of Randall from Whatapen, his original subscription, and I definitely did a lot of box openings. If you guys follow along the channel, you've seen a lot of the box openings of pens from Randall over at Whatapen, and I love every single one. I'm excited that he brought the subscription back, so you'll see some subscription pens going forward. Now, the subscription for the pen, or the pen subscription, runs $45 a month, and it is, oops, we got a thank you card. Let's see how hard this is to open. And honestly, it's a lower price than a lot of the pens I've purchased. I know if you go back, you can hear what dollar amounts I paid for some of the pens, and that $45 includes shipping, so it's a pretty sweet deal. I got a thank you card from Randall. Thank you so much. This is a splatted tamarind wood from Southwest Asia and is one of the world's rarest and most beautiful woods. Thank you for supporting and enjoy your ballpoint click pen, Randall. That is what is super awesome, you guys. I mean, you get that personal touch. I really enjoy supporting whatapen.com. I recommend you follow along on his Facebook or his Instagram. I will post those links below as well because you can see what he's working on and you will honestly fall in love with a lot of his pens and want one for yourself. So let's take a look at the first month subscription from Whatapen. Or I should say the new subscription. It was a number of years back, maybe 2016, 2017 that he had the subscription running, and I was definitely a part of that. Man, that wood grain looks flippin' killer on this one. Whoo, buddy. I am excited. And who doesn't love a good click pen? Wow. Let me read that card again. What did it say? Spalted tamarind wood from Southeast Asia. That's honestly really exciting. I'm super excited that Randall put in what the wood was, what the pen was, just so you know, because you get to hear a little bit more. I like that when it's one of his wood pens, you can feel the grain and know that this is real wood. It's not some weird, composite. And I have awesome composite pens from Randall as well, but when it comes to the wood, you can feel every bit of it. And man, the grain on this one, the pattern on this one is so flippin' cool. I really appreciate the work that Randall does. I love being able to support somebody that's found a business and found a way to do something they love. So make sure you guys follow along. Check out Whatapen. Check out the other videos I have posted of his pens, and you can see even more. Let me know what you guys think of this pen. As always, guys, thanks for watching.